Hello everyone, it's Petko Alexander from Trading Academy, and today I will demonstrate to you how you can order a Visa card from Crypto.com, which is already quite popular. I can say many people are using it all over the world, and I will show you step by step how you can do it, how much CRO coins you need to stake, and by the time you're watching that video the conditions might change, but I guess the main idea will always remain the same. So I find the Visa cards really nice because we get cashback. So whenever we spend money in the malls, supermarket, you buy anything with your Visa card, you get cashback, all right, which is awesome. So let me go straight to the point. Now if I open my Crypto.com app, you will see that my current balance is at 4,539.06, and just a few days ago I have set my Bitcoin, Ethereum and CROcoin to stake in the Crypto Earn section. So all of the funds are staking right now in the Earn section. I have already $1.79 as a profit. Wow! And in order for me to order a card, I will need to purchase some more CRO coins. So I will show you how that works. And I will click on card, which you can find on the right side of the menu. And the free one is the Midnight Blue. And if I tap on view or upgrade, you will see that I have the Midnight Blue. Then I have the Ruby Steel, is the one that I'm gonna order right now for the purpose of that video. And I have the option without cross stake and with cross stake. So with cross stake, you'll see that I will have 2% card cashback. Okay, so whenever I purchase something with that card, I'm getting 2% cashback. And why not? If I'm spending $1,000, I will get back $20 in CRO coins. And if the CRO coin increases its value, I will have more into my account. Then I will show you some more of the benefits. 100% back on Spotify. So how that works is if you're using Spotify and you pay with the card, simply Crypto.com will recognize it and they will send back the money into your card as CRO coins again. We have some more information below, like monthly fees, annual fees, delivery fees. It's free, no charge. And here is the thing. Purchase and hold 5,000 CRO tokens for 180 days, which is 6 months, to receive the Ruby Steel card. So I have to buy the CRO coins, I need to stake them, and this is basically the condition, okay? And for the other cards is different, there are limits. So let me go to the other cards. Then we have the green and the indigo ones. So here we have 3% card cashback, and we have Spotify, Netflix, and we have some more benefits. I'm not going into details, but here the difference, guys, is that I need to purchase 50,000 CRO tokens, okay, which is not a small amount. And if I go to the Icy White or the Rose Gold, you will see that I have more benefits, and I need to purchase 500,000 CRO tokens. And if I go to the Obsidian, you will see the amount of 5 million CRO tokens. You do the math. So please don't take any of the cards as recommendation. The purpose of the video is informational and demonstrational. So I will actually demonstrate how you can order, for example, the Ruby Steel card. Upgrade to Ruby Steel. I will tap on that, and I have 4 more steps to go. I will tap on continue. Let's see what I have. I need to purchase 5,000 CRO, and holding period 180 days. As I said, this is 6 months. purchase and hold CRO. That equals to approximately $771.95. I will tap on review upgrade. I will be using my Visa card, and here it is. This is the summary. I will confirm it, and I need the passcode, confirmation, and let's see if the purchase will go through. Usually it works without an issue with Crypto.com for me when purchasing cryptocurrencies. Even in Bulgaria, the banks usually don't allow purchasing cryptocurrencies, and I know in many other countries it is the same thing, and it's not easy the transactions to go through, so I need to authorize the payment. I should receive a message just in a second. Yep, here it is. I will just copy it and I will paste it, tap on continue, and it's processing. Okay, so this is how it works easily from the app. I already have ordered a few, and here you go. You successfully upgraded your card to Ruby Steel. Tap anywhere to continue. What I was saying is that I already have done that, and I personally enjoy having such a card, but I wanted to demonstrate in one video how that works. So I will accept the terms and conditions. Always suggest you to go over them. I will confirm it. And here we go. Tap anywhere to continue. Just a few easy steps and we can get your card ready. Okay, fill in address. And what I need to do right now is simply fill in my address, and they might ask me as well to scan some documents for proof of address, and that's it. Basically, they will be sending the card, and I'll be staking the 5,000 CRO for 6 months. And please don't take it as a suggestion to order any of the cards. Some of them I find costly, especially if you are watching this video later when the CRO coin price is higher. Hopefully it will be. And if you have any questions or experience with the CRO staking and the Visa cards, I'll be happy to see them in the comments below. And if you're just starting out with Crypto.com and staking, you can use the link below in the description so you can get a bonus when you are staking some cryptocurrencies. Alright guys, if you have found the video useful, thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!